All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol KNSC, currently traded at 0003. You guys obviously pretty big pullback today, right? There's no other way around that, no other way to say it. But you did pull down. Yesterday you looked really perfectly healthy. I mean, really did, coming off of that 0002 area. Big move yesterday up to 0007. You guys got up to that level again. Now it's just rejecting it off of that. We can come all the way back here. Look at this last big pop that you guys seen happen here. And then just pull down to it. What happened here? I don't know. Hopefully Joe could fill us in. There's not going to be too much for me to add as far as what to look for right now. I will tell you what to look for coming next week, though. You're definitely going to want to watch for the buying to pick back up, guys, to push you off of this. Just a huge profit taking here. Huge profit taking. 0003. I'm going to put this one on a watch for a bounce from here.
All right, so they got the skull and crossbones with pink no information, but I went over to OTC Markets. I'm looking at it right now. They got it was an 8K on February 14th, 2017. But I mean, before that, there wasn't anything for 3 years. So I'm just going to pull that up right now. I mean, there wasn't really anything for me to go on. That's basically what I'm getting at. So, share agreement. All right, so the 8K was a completion of acquisition or disposition of assets, closing of stock purchase agreement and subsequent share exchange agreement. On February 26, 2015, an investment group acquired 3,200,000,000 shares of Class A common stock and 10,000 shares of Class B common stock of the registrant in a private transaction with the existing holder and officer and director of the company and the majority holder. On April 18th, HG Restaurant Management Company, operator of Hibachi Grill Incorporated, was acquired by the company. Simultaneous with the acquisition, control was transferred to Adel Nasser, owner of HG Restaurant Management Group Incorporated. The registrant intends to file an amendment to the article of incorporation, changing the name of the company at some future time. So that's basically it. So I mean, obviously there's some things going on with the company, some things to pay attention to. Change in control of the registrant under the terms of the stock purchase agreement detailed in item 2.1. Voting control of the company was transferred to Adel Nasser, who now controls 3,200,000,000 shares of Class A common stock and 10,000 shares of Class B preferred stock with voting rights of 100,000 to 1. Combined, this equates to an approximate 51% majority voting control of all shareholder matters. So this gentleman now owns the company pretty much. That's basically it. I don't know what's going on with it because I mean there's no information to go on. But besides this, you know, they have this up here, so maybe they'll start doing some filings. It depends what's going on with Adel Nasser, the director and chief executive officer of the company.
Okay, so that's going to be for KNSC. Joe kind of gave you the information that you could start off a little bit and what he can gather from that. All that stuff is going to be available over here on InvestorsHangout.com. The company profile, time of sales, recent news, filings, financials, and the message board. Share your thoughts with tens of thousands of other investors just like you. Again, right now, 0003. Watch for a bounce off of the 10-day simple moving average. 0002, 0003. Buying will need to stay steady. I would hold from now. It's kind of odd where that volume came out of nowhere. Looks like a little bit of a buildup and a push and then a pull back down. Selling, whatever happened here is only there to speculate, in my personal opinion, but would definitely like to know what you think. And you can do so by making sure you subscribe to stay updated with the hot stocks in the market, and come over to InvestorsHangout.com/live and let us know there about your hot stocks. We'll be sure to take your hot stocks and add them to the next list.